SimVivo is excited to announce our newest learning system, Sim Dissect, based on the observations that some young surgeon learners initially have difficulty with two-handed dissection. This module focuses on the development and practice of skills centered on the precise use of the non-dominant hand. Beginning with simple exercises such as writing and bead post practice with the non-dominant hand, the module then concentrates on the coordinated use of the DeBakey forceps and Metzenbaum scissors to cut shapes from cloth and paper. The learner then graduates to practice in the use of dissection techniques to develop planes between two adhered tissues using both spreading and cutting techniques. Skills with scalpel dissection are introduced here. Putting it all together, the learner integrates these mastered skills to the removal of simulated subcutaneous masses from realistic fat. The exercise concludes with the excision of simulated veins from the same densely adherent tissue. The learning system contains all of the materials and supplies that allow the learner to complete all of the exercises. This includes a novel dissection board, DeBakey forceps, Metzenbaum scissors, beads and a post, as well as a guidebook that outlines the exercises that should be performed. Complementary instructional videos are available on our website. Take a look and you will see what this learning module is all about. Sim Dissect, a new surgical learning experience, and a lot of fun too.